everyone and welcome to day 7 of Vlogmas. Today we had our Christmas work party, which is why I'm wearing my Christmas shirt again, which I really love. And the person that we're always complaining about with our advent calendars, Wilson. Hey there!
Hola.
Hello!
Hello.
He's just playing with the cats. Oh shit. And they're off. Where's Oreo? Oh, there. Oreo's like, Did they bring it back?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yay!
No.
I'll go to the other end. Oh, there's a knock on the door. It's a Trav! Okay, it's safe. There's no cats.
So I wasn't sure if the cats were...
Trav's here! Oh.
Oh, wow.
You're right there. The door run away from you. Go! I just started the vlog. Hello.
I swear the traffic's worse.
Really? The traffic was good.
Yeah, on your
Look at little squeaky.
The motorway was crap.
Oh, the light's the wrong way around. Let's go this way. There you go.
Ooh, you can see it coming, can't you? There we go.
You gotta move, Trav. Yay! So it's a bit of a madhouse right now. But I'm playing with the cats. Crazy cats.
It's a stand-off.
Yeah, they kind of just stand on it. I have seen them like play around it before, but not too often.
Maybe
You did your-
as their claws develop, maybe.
You did your advent calendar today, right?
That's right.
Yes.
Yes.
I
What
did.
was it?
I'm not allowed to say yet.
Oh no, but I'm trying to remember. I did see. Oh, there's a cat on my leg. I didn't see your T one though, Wilson. So I can do my T one at least without knowing what it is.
And you're gonna like it too, I think.
Oh, I am.
Yeah.
Okay. I've jumped straight into advent calendars now. Ew. Okay, let's show you. So. Oh, that was one already opened.
Have you done your Lego?
Okay. So we're looking for day 7.
Oh, that's right up there.
Where are you?
Oh, yep, standing on.
Oh, was it that one? Yum! I am gonna like this one. Peppermint and licorice. Okay, so it says, catch a magic sleigh of a sweet and minty bouquet. Tongues roll, lips tingle, all smiles as bells jingle. Okay, I like that one. So, this one, 60% peppermint leaf, 40% licorice root. And that's literally it.
It's like...
Huh.
It's reminds me of this, like,
Cool, so yeah, I'm excited to try this one. I love licorice and peppermint, so I feel like that one's gonna be really yummy. Should I do my other one?
What's the other one?
My other advent calendar?
Yes. Oh, yes. I
Yeah?
haven't seen it.
Okay, Wilson hasn't seen it. Okay, I'll stop this clip and I'll go grab it. No! I saw Wilson take it out, but I never saw the built one. Alright, Trav's doing his best. What's it gonna be?
Why do I keep like...
Oh my. Ooh, we got today and tomorrow, and then we go on to the next layer. That's how big it is, by the way.
Yep.
That's a real cool one.
How do you feel about this one?
Bit underwhelming.
Yeah. Was that yesterday's one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wilson said I had to catch a reaction, because he was a bit like, what?
This one's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Okay, so for me, I've got... Oh, a bath bomb! This is a vanilla marshmallow bath bomb. An owl one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That was a Body Shop. Very nice.
I've still got the candy cane one. Do you want to smell it?
Oh, yes. Oh,
The one that's citrusy.
Citrusy.
Yeah.
Citrus peppermint. Oh, is it like scent test? This is much better than the taste test.
Oh yeah.
What?
But it smells nice though, right?
It's nice, but
It's not candy cane.
it's deceiving, yeah.
Okay, now smell this one. This is Wait,
This one's
where
still
is
okay.
it?
Oh, that's good.
Oh, it's not going to focus. This is the peppermint candy cane one by the Body Shop. It's a cat's.
Okay, I think that's everything, right?
Oh, and it's sweet. It actually smells sweet.
Yeah, it smells like peppermint candy cane,
It does,
right?
doesn't it? It smells a little bit.
It's shower gel.
You go for a shower.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That one's
Oh.
really cool. I always get confused by the
Wait,
spare
stop
parts
moving.
though, because I'm like,
I know.
What?
I'm seeing something. It's gonna fall to pieces.
well, it's like there's only a single
And
one of
you can
these
never
in
really do
there.
anything
and
with it.
Okay, so this is Trav's one today.
Well, I'm gonna save all the spare parts and see if maybe you can put.
Oh, I can smell it.
Isn't it awesome?
Day
Yeah.
25,
Oh, it's so
use
dark
all the
on
spare-
you. We're playing cat racing with balls. Except they're not coming back. And Squiggles is running about and lost the ball, and Trav's gonna bowl the ball. Eventually. Oh, and they're by my feet now. Oh, the house, jeez. I saw the little mouse there. I didn't realize it was a toy.
Distracted.
There's so many balls. They're like, which one do we chase?
One. Two.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. They're coming. They're like, I know the ball's gonna come back. Oh, Squiggles is getting ready for
Ready
it.
to pounce. Oh, no.
That was so anti-competitive.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Here we go. Oh, yeah, that's it.
Squiggles is like, she looks like she's gonna play, but then she's not. Oh. She's getting closer.
There we go. Oh. There's a tackle. Oh, that's so cool.
I feel like this is gonna make some people dizzy.
Yeah. Oh,
Whee!
my Squiggle's just a little bit slow.
Well, got some close-ups.
Let's go, Squiggles. You can get that.
How are you?
What was that?
It was a mouse. Great effort, Squiggles.
You can't miss this one.
She tries. Wilson have gone to go get dinner, and I've made Oreo a little shoulder cat, so he's just literally just chilling on my shoulder. I thought he'd want to climb down, but he's been on here for at least a minute, which for, if you know what cats are like, that's a long time. And with me walking around, I'm not sure where Squiggles is. I know she's in the garage somewhere, and we don't normally let them in the garage, so who knows. But I thought I'd just show you my my little buddy, my little shoulder cat, and he's so soft. Hello, Oreo.
You do it every time.
What is a positively balanced anyway? I don't understand. Oh, that's hilarious, Jess.
Say hi, Lynn.
Uncle!
Say hi.
Are you taking a photo or video?
Video.
You're showing the latest vlog.
It's gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
don't
what?
put my lips on here, Jessica.
And we've
We're-
got all the detail.
We're Skyping Lynn. I think she was in a video, like over a year ago. She used to work where we work, but
Yes,
she moved
yeah,
back
it
to
was
South
just
Africa. So we're actually Snapchat videoing her.
Yeah.
So I thought I'd include
Yes,
her so that way we can remember the video.
Yeah, we were in.
Oh, my battery's running
It
out
was
on my
only
phone.
like a 3-month
But
rehearsal.
yeah, I
and
just
then
wanted
like
to show
a
Lynn
1
because
week
it's exciting.
performance was going. I only
The
had about
kitties
10
are having a
minutes
little
on
nap
stage,
now.
It was
Alright guys, so I realized that I never actually ended this video, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. But yeah, otherwise I'll see you again tomorrow for another video. Bye!